So PM and S are the points on a circle, center O. So that's P, M, S, and the center is O. RST is a tangent to the circle, so this is RST. Angle PSO is 48 degrees, right? And MP is MS. So MP equals MS. And we have to work out the size of angle MST. So MST, that's this angle. So if I write down again, so this is MST, this is the one angle we need to find. So the first thing I thought we could do is to join OP and then you see triangle OPS is isosceles, so join OP. Therefore you would have OP equals OS radius, and you would have triangle OPS is isosceles, and therefore you can say that angle OPS is also equal to 48 degrees. So this is 48 degrees, and then angle POS would be 180 minus 2 times 48, that is 180 minus 696, and that equals 4, and this is 17, 8, 84 degree. So we get angle POS is 84 degrees, right? So once we get angle POS, we can find what angle PMS is. Therefore angle PMS would be half of 84 degrees, that is equal to 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 2 is 4, that is 42 degrees. So this is 42 degrees, and the reason is angle at the circumference is half the angle at the center for the same arc, or I can say angle subtended by the same arc. So angle OPS and angle PMS are angles subtended by the same arc. So one is at the center, one is at the circumference. So angle at the circumference, or we should say angle at the center, is twice the angle at the circumference. Okay, so what I wrote is angle OPS and angle PMS are angles subtended by the same arc. Okay, so and angle at the center, this is the angle at the center, angle POS. So angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference, which is angle PMS. So therefore angle PMS should be half of 84 degree, which is 42 degrees. Okay, so next what we are going to do is we now know all the angles of this triangle. Now you see that we've also been given, so this marking went off, that MP is equal to MS. So we've been given this MP is MS. So triangle PMS is also isosceles. I'm going to write it here. Now I can make some space for myself. I don't want to delete it. So we can say that triangle PMS is isosceles. MP equals MS, that is given to us. So therefore angle MSP is equal to angle MPS, and that would be equal to 180 minus 42 out of 2, and that is 8 and 2 10, that's 7 minus 4 3, 138 out of 2, 6 is 12 and 113, 69 degrees. So we get this angle is 69 degrees, so that is 69 degrees, and so is this 69 degrees. Okay, so once we know that, so angle MSB, so then the next thing is we can find what angle MSO is. So therefore angle MSO is this angle MSO, or is this not the right color? Let me use red. So this is angle MSO. Angle MSO equals 69 minus 48, that is 121 degrees, right? So this will be 21 degrees. So the next thing is, we are nearly there. The next property we are going to use is that the radius makes a right angle with the tangent. Okay, so OS is perpendicular to RST or ST. So next we say OS is perpendicular to ST or RST, whichever you choose to say. It is perpendicular to the tangent, so that's the reason is radius is perpendicular to tangent. So you have radius is perpendicular to the tangent, so angle OST equals 90 degrees. Therefore angle MST is equal to 90 minus 21, and that is equal to 9 and 110. This is minus 2 6, 69 degree. So the answer is, it is 69 degrees, and this angle is equal to 69 degrees, angle MST. And that's the answer really. So thank you very much for viewing. I hope it's clear. The explanations are clear. So thank you for viewing, thank you for your time, and please subscribe. And if you want to view more maths problem solving videos, or if you're interested in more maths, so please visit the channel at Hypatia Math 147. Thank you very much.